Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, October 28th, 2019. Please stand, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. We do not have any birthdays to acknowledge today, but we do have some tomorrow. I hope you all had a great weekend. This week we are focusing today mostly on being respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. And let's focus on always thanking your teacher. They work very, very hard. Make sure that you're acknowledging them and remembering to show your appreciation. Our vocabulary word of the day is biography. A biography is an account of someone's life written by someone else. Some of you in reading class may be reading a biography. Some of the famous ones that we commonly hear about was Steve Jobs' biography. Someone else wrote it, but it was about his life. Another famous one I know some of you have read is about Nelson Mandela and Helen Keller. Some announcements for today. So you should have your pajamas on, but if you don't, you should have your ID with you no matter what. But if you don't, you should be in your regular uniform. And so take some time to check your uniform. You are not allowed to wear a non-idea jacket, and make sure that you go to your homeroom for academic walk today. So speaking of uniform and what you can wear this week, we are focusing on, in honor of Red Ribbon Week, we're celebrating our drug-free campus by giving us some fun things to wear this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday, you should be wearing your pajamas. Tuesday is hats off to drugs. You may be wearing your hat. Wednesday is team up against drugs. You can wear your favorite sports team jersey. On Thursday, we're too smart to do drugs. Dress as your favorite storybook character. Remember that we are not dressing up on Thursday in any other thing besides your favorite storybook character. And make sure that you are not wearing a mask or bringing any pretend weapons to school, and you are not bringing any candy. On Friday I have my future ahead of me, and so you can dress up as you would like to be in your future career. So if you want to be a principal, you could dress up like me. Just kidding. But just one more reminder, we want to emphasize that Thursday, October 31st is not a celebration for scary costumes, candy, anything like that. So we're just going to focus on we are too smart to do drugs and you dressing as your favorite storybook character. Your teachers and your administrators will probably join in as well. Some announcements for this week. Monday. So today, good luck first graders on your math test. Tomorrow, our fourth graders are taking their reading exam. Wednesday, just make sure you're paying attention in class and studying and practicing all those skills. Thursday, fifth graders, good luck on your science test. And second grade, good luck on your math test on Friday. In order to do well on all of those tests, you need to be in school. Unfortunately, on Friday, we had 26 scholars out, and that means we only hit 96.14%. That's pretty bad. That means that a lot of people were knocked out of the bike raffle and the raffle to get Fall Fest tickets, so it did not look well. Make sure that you look at the bottom of the screen right now where it has the weather. So dress appropriately on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday in case it rains. Also, today will be warmer, but the rest of the week will be a little cooler. So make sure you just plan your outfits appropriately and make sure you're giving yourself enough time to get to school safely. And remember, this Friday we will do another challenge for attendance, and you will be entered in our raffle for being here every day this week. All right, now please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready, go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a magnificent Monday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students that are not in your homeroom and dojo, and then message our GroupMe for the ADA GroupMe chat. And also, teachers, if we are hitting attendance for Monday through Wednesday, that means on Thursday you all get to wear jeans. Have an amazing day.